Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video. So this is a Master Airbrush. I think it's from TCP Global. I think it's the company that I purchased it from on Amazon. They're the ones who shipped it to me. I did notice that there were a variety of kits. So this one, I actually kind of forget what's inside of it. And obviously the packaging doesn't really lend a lot to what's inside. So I did go for something slightly better than just their standard run-of-the-mill one. So let's dive on into it and see what's in here. So I did pre-cut the tape, but it was taped from here to here all the way along. So it came pretty secure. It also came via UPS, so I've never really had a bad time with them. Alright, so my shipping receipt is in there. And then some sort of card on guides and stuff. And then there's the instruction manual. I should make sure that that's an instruction manual. Yep. So, sorry, this card was out of frame. And then this guide here, how to airbrush. And yeah, once the box is out, it comes with a hose. I think they said it's 6 feet. And over here is the airbrush, and I think there's a couple of different tips here for various spray types, and a couple of brush cleaners. Let's just open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so there's a valve, there's a couple of pins, a whole bunch of loose stuff, so I don't know if it's a little kind of annoying when it's all floating about. It looks like maybe at some point it was packaged correctly, but everything seems to be in working order. This actually looks exactly like the one I already have, so it'll be nice to have a couple of them. Close that. It's nice that it's in a plastic container as well. And then there's nothing on this back side, so we'll just take off the styrofoam here. Board is individually wrapped. The whole thing's wrapped in plastic. Kind of nice. Alright, so this is it. It has its own tank. Some of them I saw didn't have a tank, and I was kind of hoping that because I was going to be upstairs, the less time that the compressor ran, the more sort of the quieter I could be. So it's nice that it has a handle. It is pretty heavy. This is the other side. Assuming this is where you can drain. Yep. There's a, let's see if we can get a little closer here. It looks like this, you can adjust here. And the pressure gauge is there. It looks like the hose hooks here. And yeah, that's about it. It's pretty basic, it's pretty decent looking. The reviews were pretty positive. So, I mean, that's part of why I went with this. So let me just, the item number on this was kit G222-T, Master Airbrush model with 3 tip sizes pro set airbrushing system with model TC-20T air compressor. So that's what this bad guy is. with air storage tank. I would have to go back online to find the details of this, but what I will do is put a link to this kit in the description of the video. So that's, I think, it for this video. There's not much more to go on for an unboxing video. So hopefully by the time I get to use this, I can make another video of measuring its sound and how well I like it, because I am not an expert airbrusher, but I need to start learning. So yeah, thanks guys. If you like this video, be sure to click subscribe and give it a like. The likes help. Leave me a comment. Love the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.